Is x less than x cubed? Now, from the chapter in decimals, I know that when a number is cubed, it has a different behavior when it's between 0 and 1 or between -1 and 0. So I'm gonna find what values of x answer yes before even looking at the statements. Okay, let's answer with 1, 0, and -1. If it's greater than 0, is x less than x cubed? Yes. If it's between 0 and 1, x cubed would be smaller, so we'd answer no. If it's between -1 and 0, then x cubed being odd, it makes it smaller in absolute value, which brings it to the right. If x were here, x cubed would be closer to 0. So it would be a yes, right? It's greater because it's to the right in the number line. And to the left of -1, like -2, for example, it would answer no. So statement 1 says that x is less than x squared. And that is true if x is greater than 1. And if x is negative, any negative is less than the square of the negative. So it answers yes here, it answers yes here, but it also covers this area which answers no. So statement 1 is not sufficient. If I wanted to put some values, I could say that x could be 3, and it will answer yes. And x could be -3, and it would answer no. Okay. Statement 2 says that x is greater than -1, so it's all of this, but there is a no that is overlapping, so x could be 0.5, and then it would answer no. And it could also be 3, for example, and it would answer yes, so it's not sufficient. Now both together must work with the intersection. Now, the intersection of the areas are these two segments, this one and this one, right? Greater than 1, which answers yes, and between -1 and 0, which also answer yes. So together, even though they are both different areas, they both answer yes. So I would say letter C. Together they are sufficient.